Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning back in. 𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗘 the Crypto here. I hope you're doing all fine. So welcome to another episode. In today's video we're gonna analyze, as usual, the Bitcoin price. We're gonna start in the DXY and CME chart to see where we closed on Friday. So thank you again very much for your support, my friends. Lately we are hitting records every day with more views, more likes, more subscribers, and also that's why we're gonna celebrate 5k subscribers very soon. Thank you again very much for your support. And with that we also gonna do then the giveaway on Prime XPT. So we're gonna have $50 giveaways on Prime XPT that you can use for co-investing or for trading once we're gonna reach 5,000 subscribers. So that's why, my friends, make sure to be subscribed on this channel and always hit that like button. Alright, so here you can see the CME chart, and we closed on Friday exactly at $38,000. So we closed very bullish on Friday, and we should expect a continuation to the upside also for the next week here on the CMEs. And although you can see that we had here a buy signal in my own indicator, and so far we are playing this out. So if you are in a long position, then congratulations. And it also looks like that we still have some fuel left here to the upside also for coming week, based here on the CME chart. And if we go over into the DXY, you can see that yesterday we had here a big sell-off, and what a surprise when we woke up this morning. We have seen the Bitcoin price pumping like crazy. We are back again towards $42,000, only 2,000 left until we're gonna retest the all-time high of $42,000, and I think it is very likely that we're gonna test it this weekend. So let's see what will happen. Of course, there are also some signs that we could potentially come to an end here once we're gonna reach $42,000. This is going to be a very critical point because last time we got rejected at this price level, and also here, at least in the lower time frames, it looks like that we are a bit exhausted. So in the 4-hour time frame, you can see my own indicator, which is looking like that we could get the sell signal in the next coming hours maybe, but everything is still pointing out that we have a lot of room left to the upside, since the momentum is shifted to the upside and all the money flow is coming in. So everything is good to go to the upside, and if we can break 42,000, I think that we will go straight towards $50,000 to $60,000. The only problem that I have, and I still didn't open up a long position yet, is because I'm waiting, of course, for a good buy signal here in my own indicator, and also we are trading right now during a weekend. So I don't give too much significance during a weekend. The price action usually is always a bit pump and dump, and then on Monday we retrace back to where we closed the CMEs on Friday. So that's why usually I don't like too much to trade on weekends, and I also don't recommend to trade on weekends. But of course, sometimes you can do really nice gains, especially if we continue here to go to the upside. And another reason why we could maybe getting into some troubles up here between $40,000 to $42,000 is because if we have a look here into the RSI in the 4-hour, you can see that currently we are bouncing from this green trend line here, but we are once again here in very overbought condition. And I think even if we cool off here a little bit again and maybe go to retest the 20 moving average down here at around $37,700, I think very soon we could lose here the support. And if we are starting to drop here in the RSI below this green trend line, then we most likely could see a little sell-off towards the 50 level in the RSI, maybe even come down towards oversold conditions. So as long as we are maintaining this green trend line here in the RSI in the 4-hour, we're good to go to the upside. And of course the target is towards $42,000. If we are able to break 42,000, I think we're gonna see follow through towards $50,000 or maybe even $60,000, and we're gonna stay above this green line for a couple of hours and days more. But keep an eye here on the RSI. If we're gonna lose the support, then this could lead into a possible correction, and in that case my target would be to retest here the 200 moving average at 35,000, maybe even go lower towards 33,000, and there then we're gonna have to look if we're able to get a buy signal here in order to scale in another long position. But what I definitely gonna do is, if we're gonna break out here to the upside from $42,000 and create a new all-time high, I definitely gonna open up again a long position. At least I gonna start to DCA into a nice long position, because if we're able to take out the old all-time high of $42,000, we will definitely go towards $50,000 and $60,000. As I also told you in some videos ago, once we have broken out from this resistance here at $34,400 and also went again above the 4-hour 200 moving average. So since last time we got here a buy signal, currently we are just starting to pump like crazy again, and this is of course what we want to see during a nice bull market. And if we switch over now into the daily time frame, you can see that also here, once we closed again daily candles above the 9 and 20 daily moving average, Bitcoin is starting again to look way more bullish, and we should expect a continuation to the upside, especially as long as we're closing daily candles above the 9 and 20 daily moving average. So if you're looking for the best long entry, then watch out here for the 9 and 20 daily moving average between $36,000 and $34,400. I'm pretty confident that sooner or later we will come down to retest and confirm this new support, unless of course we're just gonna start to moon here again and take out the old all-time high here of $42,000. Then I think it's not worth to wait for a confirmation and a retest of these two important moving averages. Then I think it's good to just open up market longs here as soon as we're gonna create a new all-time high and DCA into your long position, if then maybe we come down to retest these important supports. So overall, Bitcoin is again looking very bullish, and after this healthy correction that we have seen here down to the 50 daily moving average, which also was coinciding with the 9 weekly moving average here after getting here a sell signal in the weekly, we cooled off here a little bit the indicators. Of course, not that much as I would have guessed, because I was expecting here the RSI at least to come down to the 50 level in order to bounce from it again and test the 20 weekly moving average, currently at $22,000. We already got a big bounce here at the 9 weekly moving average, so of course this is very, very bullish, and we should expect here big continuations to the upside. And that's why, my friends, I'm still keep telling you that it doesn't matter if you're buying at 30k or 20k. At the end, Bitcoin will anyway go way above 100k. So it's more important to focus on your take profits, if you want to take profits, then into your entry price, because we are in this huge bull cycle where Bitcoin is supposed to go way above 100k, and 60 to 100,000 will be the absolute bottom. Also maybe during the next bear market, if we're gonna see a bear market in a couple of years. But what is for sure is that these price levels that we're gonna see here in the next coming days might be the last opportunity to buy Bitcoin below $60,000. And that's why you should DCA every day or every week into Bitcoin, no matter where the price is. You're still not too late to the party. Of course, if you're longer here in the crypto space since maybe 2015 or 2017, you should have already accumulated enough Bitcoin. So if you have some cash on the sideline, then maybe wait for bigger drops to buy more Bitcoin. But if you have already a nice hodl portfolio, then maybe just focus on trading Bitcoin or Ethereum if you have enough cryptos already. So the conclusion for today, my friends, is very easy. We will most likely see follow through here to the upside. If you want to trade on the weekends, then maybe wait for the price to come back down towards the 9 or 20 moving average in the 4 hour. So between 37,700 and 38,400. Otherwise, wait until we're gonna break this $42,000 and create a support above in order then to scale in a nice long. Because if we're gonna take out $42,000, we will see big fireworks to the upside. And remember that if this was all a bull flag, the target is at around $60,000. That's why right now we have two options. One is to wait that we're gonna break $42,000, create a support above and then long, and otherwise wait for another little correction, because the 4 hour is looking like that we maybe could see another little correction before we gear up then definitely to break these $42,000. So if you want to take this great trade opportunity, then make sure to open up an account over on Bybit and Phoenix. Those are the recommended exchanges that I'm also using. And if you still need an account, then use my referral links down below here, because with those links you will get some extra money. You also will support the channel. And if you want to do some passive money with trading without trading yourself, then try out PrimeXPT, because here you have this co-vesting feature where you can copy trade other traders like this. You can also do some nice gains, because the most of them usually are always long on Bitcoin. So it's always good to start following them when they are in negative. It's always good to start following them when they are in negative than when they had already like hundreds of percentage of gains. And of course, like that you will most likely also get some free slots, because often they are sold out and there is no chance to follow them. So if you're interested in that feature, then make sure to open up an account with my link down below here. And of course also use these coupon codes that you can get if you signed up with my referral link. So if you put here these promo codes, you can get some discounts on the fees, and of course also some extra bonus on your first deposit. So take advantage of this unique promotion that you can find only in my channel. And also PrimeXPT is the sponsor for this $50 giveaway for PrimeXPT once we're gonna reach 5,000 subscribers. So that's why, my friends, let's get these 5,000 subs so we can start with this nice giveaway, so you can try out for free then this co-vesting feature here on PrimeXPT, and of course you can also easily trade here. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for now. Don't forget to join our great crypto trading chat over on Discord. Shout out to all the members here. This is also the place where you can get access to my own indicator, which is giving you buy and sell signals for Bitcoin. For a small donation, you can get access to my indicator. You can just easily join our free Discord trading chat and then contact me over there if you're interested. So thank you again very much for watching, my friends, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye!